In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio sound in Figma. This is a quick 5-minute tutorial, perfect for anyone looking to enhance their Figma designs with audio elements. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started with this collaborative interface design tool, incorporating audio can add an exciting, dynamic element to your projects. First things first, let's head over to Figma's website. It's where all the magic happens. If you're already familiar with Figma, great. But if not, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. You'll find this typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. It's quick and free to sign up. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. Here you'll see a list of your projects as well as any files you've been working on recently. This space serves as your creative hub where all your past and ongoing projects are stored. Take a moment to browse through and locate the file you want to work on. Once you find it, click on the file to open it. This will take you into your design environment, a blank canvas full of potential. Now, with your file open, you'll notice a menu at the top of your screen. This is where you'll be doing most of your task-specific work. Locate and click on the Actions option in the menu. The Actions menu is Figma's way of helping you carry out various tasks, and today it's where we'll find your route to adding audio. With the Actions panel open, the next step is to search for an audio player. Use the search bar provided to type in audio player. Figma will then present you with relevant plugins or elements that you can use to incorporate audio into your design. Choose the one that best suits your project's needs, whether that's for a background sound, a clickable audio button, or any other audio feature you have in mind. And there you have it. You've successfully gone from opening your Figma account to searching for an audio player, all set to integrate sound into your design. Adding audio can elevate the user experience of your designs, making them more engaging and interactive. So take some time to explore how sound can complement the visual elements in your project. Thanks for following this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like these on enhancing your design projects. See you next time.